Hello all dear friends, welcome to the Binary Beans channel. In this video I want to teach you a great method and strategy for trading by identifying important levels. A great method and a profitable strategy for beginners and for professionals. I suggest you stay with me until the end of the video. Well, as I said, today we're going to trade by identifying important levels on the chart. A simple but very good and efficient method for trading in binary options. To do this, first we need to find the important levels that we have in the price paths. For example, I have a level and range of buyers here. Look, when I zoom out the chart and go back, I see that in the past, I also saw the trend reversal to this range several times. Okay? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So it is possible that the price will return to this level again and form green candles. We wait for our candle to close first. Now, I check the candles on the 15-second time frame. If a green candle is formed, I enter the higher trade. But the trading time in this method is fixed at 1 minute. Look. My candle closed on the level. A green candle was formed for me on the 50-second time frame. So I entered the higher trade and expect the trend to reverse from this level. Because I have seen this happen many times in the past on this range. That is, in this strategy, we trade using important levels and the possibility of repeating the behavior of the past candles. We will wait for the position to close. Okay. I'll go back to the chart for a minute. I will look at a few currency pairs to find a good level on the chart. If you look, we have an important level here. Once, twice, 3 times, the trend reversal has happened from this level. We will wait for the candles to reach this level and then we'll take the trade. If you look, I have a level here that I drew with a trend line. Okay? Because of the formation of a red candle and the trend reversal in the past from this level, I entered the lower trade. Okay? Great. As you can see here, we also have a level that the candles have reversed from this level at least twice, and there is a possibility of a trend reversal from this point. And you can see that a red candle also formed for us. Okay, 15 seconds. We will wait. And yes, I entered the higher trade. It created a green candle on the 15-second time frame for me. And if you look back at the chart, we already had a trend reversal to this level. We are waiting for our position to close. Excellent. A great and simple method for professionals and beginners. You just need to carefully find important levels and try to trade in the same direction as the trend. It seems that we missed the opportunity. We have a level here too. Okay, I go to the 15-second time frame. And if a red candle forms for me, I entered a lower trade. Okay, and now you can see after seeing a red candle, I entered a lower trade. Let's wait for the position to close. It's okay. We will compensate for this position in the next trade. You can see we went to the 15-second time frame again. We have a level. I'm waiting for a red candle to form so that I can enter a lower trade. If you look, we found a level where we have already seen a trend reversal at this level. Very well. We have compensated for the previous trade. Look, we have already had a trend reversal once, twice, and 3 times relative to this level. The more candles hit the level and the trend reversal, the more reliable that level is. Now, let's take the last trade. A green candle was formed, so we do not trade. We look for another position. Very well, I entered 3 lower trades. If you look, the red candle, there have been trend reversals before. In the past, we can see a trend reversal relative to this range. That's why I entered the lower trades. Okay. No problem. We will find another position. Okay, excellent. I entered 2 lower trades. We wait for our trades to close so I can explain to you about these positions. Okay. Look. Our major trend is a downtrend, okay? We have a retracement trend that has reached a fresh level. Besides that, we have had the trend hit this level several times before. So I safely entered 2 lower trades here. In fact, we traded on a strong level. Excellent. Okay, dear friends, don't forget to practice the tips on this method well on a demo account first. In order to be able to have better trades with this method, you should definitely watch the videos of the Candlestick Psychology playlist. In the Candlestick Psychology playlist, I explained and thought about all the cases and patterns that can help you. Of course, new tutorials will be uploaded, but by understanding the same tips taught, you can have better trades with indicators or other methods. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and send it to those who are interested in working in this market. To register in PocketOption, you can use the link below the video and receive a 50 to 100% bonus to top up your account and start practicing and trading. As always, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.